Today we will be sketching rational functions and then solving inequalities of the form ax plus b over cx plus d less than ex plus f. So first of all, let's have a look at sketching this rational function. So you might like to pause the PowerPoint here and have a go at sketching this. So this is the graph of the function there. Now we're going to use this in order to solve this inequality. So x plus 3 over 2 minus x, where is that less than 1? So if we draw on the line y is equal to 1, so we're actually going to solve these two simultaneously. And we work out where that point of intersection is on here, so this point just on the graph. And we can do that by solving this equation. So here x is equal to minus a half. So where is the rational function? Where is the rational function below 1? Or is it less than 1? Now there are two sections to this. So you've got from this point here forward, backwards to the left, but you've also got this other section of graph here going forwards. And so we have two parts to this inequality. So x is less than minus a half and x is greater than 2. Now we're going to have a look at solving the rational function algebraically. So the assumption here would be to rearrange. So if we multiply the left-hand side and the right-hand side by 2 minus x, and then try to solve this, this gives us x being less than minus a half. Now, this is only part of the solution, so this method is incorrect. And the reason that this is incorrect is because actually we don't know whether the denominator is positive or is it negative. And that is really important when you are dealing with inequalities. So let's take a look now at how we can solve this correctly. Now the correct way of solving this, and this is for your notebook, you need to multiply by something that is non-negative. Now we multiply by something non-negative so that we don't change the sign of the inequality, because we actually don't know what the value of x is. And the only way to make sure that something is non-negative is to have something that is squared. So we're going to multiply the left side and the right side by 2 minus x all squared. And so this leaves us with x plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus x and 2 minus x all squared on the right hand side. And multiplying this out and rearranging gets us to the two solutions that we had when we looked at the graph. Please turn to page 86 and complete exercise 4B.